Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the margin of your header and footer in your Google Docs. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So open your Google Docs. Okay, so I have this in mind. I'm going to first show you on how you can add a footer or header. So look at the ribbon at the top and you will find from here insert. Click on that. Scroll down and you will find headers and footers. You have here, it's either header or footer. Now let's go with header. And as you can see, now once done, you will find, okay, so let's me quickly insert a header from here. Document 1. I'm just going to put it in the center. Increase the font size and make this bold. Okay, now once done, you will find options from here. Click on this drop down arrow and you will find header format, and from here you can change your margin, so it is inches from top. Now let's go with 0.8. And then also for the footer, the same thing. If you have added a footer, and you just need to simply click on apply. And as you can see, you have changed the margin. The same thing for footer. Click on insert. Click on headers and footers. Click on footer. Now for the footer, let's type document 1. And then put this to the center. Increase the size. And then that's it. And then click on options. Click on footer format. And then you can simply change that from here. Okay, so that is for header. Now let's go with footer. Let's make it the same with the header. So it's inches from the bottom and click on apply. And that's it. Now this is how it looks like. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.